Yo, yo, yo! What up, people? Y'all know what it is, man. This is Code 7. We back with another reaction.
We grinding.
We grinding, man. We
Yes,
grinding.
sir.
I know y'all seeing us damn near every day.
Y'all
2,
getting
3.
tired of us.
But listen,
We ain't tired of y'all.
that's how it's finna go, man. I was giving y'all one once a week, but shit, Vegas dropping, so I'm dropping. That's just how this shit finna
There's a
work.
lot going on, man.
With that being said, man, I am your boy Skinny, joining my bro.
It's the Tizzle.
And if you here and you new,
Like,
share, subscribe. Like and share regardless. But if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that,
Tune
man.
in, man.
Subscribe and click the bell, man. Let us know whoever y'all want us to react to, what y'all think is dope in the city. Drop it in the comments. We ain't too big to miss a comment yet.
Facts.
This one is Muney, Krane.
Krane.
Featuring Babe Blue, Ratchet.
Ratchet.
I was supposed to bing it on this. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I had so much other shit going on at the same time, so I had so many requests. But
Let's see what it is.
I'm here now.
Let's see what it is, man.
So we're gonna get into it, man.
Real
Muney,
House
Krane.
Productions.
Oh yeah, this my nigga Lonnie T. Lonnie T is the director.
Okay.
They keep asking how I'm living, I say daddy, daddy. They say your brother still in that prison, I say daddy, daddy. Ain't living great, but shit, I'm trying to get my family straight. But we gon' make it in a major way. Hey.
Gunshot.
Oh, it's good. Strike Cuddy.
Whoa! Whoa! Nigga!
Bruh, for real.
I went retarded on their ass, nigga.
Right.
Don't ask me shit!
Right.
Oh! Nigga! Woo!
Hold on, watch it.
Everything. Oh, me, man.
That nigga came in, that motherfucker hype.
Niggas be like that about
Tripping.
Oh, it's good. Strike Cuddy.
Whoa! Whoa! Nigga!
Bruh, for real.
I went retarded on their ass, nigga.
Right.
Don't ask
Oh,
me
you ain't
shit!
saying.
Oh! Nigga! Woo!
Hold on, watch it. That's right. Right.
I've been active, nigga. Ask Krane.
Come on, bro.
I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds are better. Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds are better. Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy.
Man.
This beat
Hard
nasty.
is a motherfucker.
Oh my
And he
God.
riding that motherfucker perfect.
Oh my
Jesus.
God.
That motherfucker hard.
Yeah.
I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds are better. Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds are better. Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I'm fair bound if I get caught with this. Habitual heat slanger, the local arsonist. I'm the shit. My mind, body, and my heart's in this. So keep it neutral, nigga. Because my drive, it be parking shit.
Oh, man.
So keep it neutral, nigga, cause my drive, it be parking shit.
Okay.
That was a bar, nigga.
The shit, my mind, body, and my heart's in this. So keep it neutral, nigga. Because my drive, it be parking shit. The 4-5 got him shaking like Parkinson's. Then it came with extra cartridges. Yeah. Bullets running and tumbling and hit your cartilage. They hate to see us coming cause they know we starting shit. BBGC, NTDC, you know.
They hate to see us coming cause they know we starting shit. Okay.
Tumbling and hit your cartilage. They hate to see us coming cause they know we starting shit. BBGC, NTDC, you don't want no parts of this. This is not no DVD, don't play me like I'm Martin, bitch. Talk about that money while I stay in Neiman Marcus, bitch. Respect my mind or I'm sparking shit. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Ratchet.
Hey, he swinging that lack.
Yo, my mommy was.
You don't see niggas swing no newer lacks like that. That nigga swinging that motherfucker.
I mean, this video hella dope.
This video dope.
I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds or better, Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds or better, Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy.
Look, smashing on the E-way, pistol in the briefcase. The pain in my eyes tell a lot, but they don't feel Krane. It's time to find a new way. I just got off the three-way with Ray back in Lil Ducky. They just told me Krane to be safe. Remember off of Pecos, Billie Jean had them 50 pounds. He fagged off on me, guess her karma came around. A week later, feds caught her with her out of town. She had a key on her, stepping off the Greyhound. Fuck kicking these raps, I'm just speaking these facts. I lost my best friend to sucker, shot him off.
He said, fuck speaking these raps, I'm just speaking these facts. He said, you know what, I'm just gonna give you my life. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you my life, man. You either gonna believe it or you ain't. This fuck goes over with me.
Had a key on her, stepping off the Greyhound. Fuck kicking these raps, I'm just speaking these facts. I lost my best friend to sucker, shot him all in his back. Face toss that Draco, I'm serving niggas these halos. Ain't no time to lay low, bitch, I'm mashing for them pesos. In Ohio, moving dog like I'm Rilo. That's when BB used to serve that nigga Paco. Money, pie, and respect, keep your mouth closed. I'ma keep it solid like they blew the low.
Free McCuddy Illuminati, free McCuddy Lil Day. I be tossing them foes, my niggas tossing them trades. To the visit back to the gates, we burn face, we spray. You fuck niggas ain't safe. Getting dropped, that's on the game.
I get retarded
That
with
shit
this
was dope
ratchet.
as fuck.
Yeah, that was dope the way he ended it.
Oh my mama,
The
that
way
was
he ended
hard
that
as fuck.
motherfucker was dope.
Tossing them trades, to the visit back to the gates, we burn face, we spray. You fuck niggas ain't safe. Getting dropped, that's on the game.
I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds or better, Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy. 30 rounds or better, Draco with a drum. I get retarded with this ratchet like I'm Randy.
That motherfucker.
I get retarded with this
Hey,
ratchet like I'm Randy.
that's crazy how he on the so damn.
What up?
Man, I hope to have you in to explain that end part with you on the car. I seen when they was shooting the video, whatever, he had showed they went live and shit. When the
Yeah.
police had showed up and shit. So that's like really the police, him really being on the police car, like just not a
Oh,
part of
damn.
the scene, like some real shit.
That's all bad.
So man, hey, shout out to you for being off of papers now, bro. Cause shit like that would have fucked you off back in the day.
For sure.
And it's keep you staying out, man. So stay out, Baby Blue.
For sure. They be on buddy.
Yeah, they be on that nigga.
Chapo.
Helmet.
God.
Dope ass video though.
For sure, man.
I'm for sure like Babe Blue part more than Money Krane, but
That
his
nigga-
was just like I'm finna give you my life. So I think Babe Blue had more bars in there that
That
stuck
nigga
out.
just hella versatile, baby. Blue, like, when I hear that nigga song, I don't know what to expect.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
For
He
sure.
hella versatile, you know what I mean?
For
that
sure.
nigga murdered that. That's one of my favorite ones I heard from him. Keep It Funky. That shit was hard.
Yeah, that shit was hard.
Oh, God.
So man, dope ass video, man. We know you're supposed to get to it early. Yeah, I like the way Lonnie T.
Yeah, he got some cold visuals. on
Man,
that
keep
motherfucker.
pushing them motherfucking visuals, man.
That shit was dope.
Like we told y'all, man, a link to this video will be in the description below.
Run 'em
So
up,
run
man.
this shit up. It's already at like 3K or
For
whatever.
sure. Subscribe,
Get that shit
pay
higher
channel
than that,
and all
man.
that, man.
Subscribe, man. Get that shit up higher than that. That shit shouldn't be.
It should be way up, man.
Man, these niggas
it's
should be
high,
up,
but it
man.
need to be higher,
It
man.
should
Do
be higher than
for
that
Vegas.
shit, man. Throw
For
that
sure,
shit
for
up
sure.
one time.
And start collabing. Start doing
Yeah.
some collabing, man.
Yeah,
Y'all,
man.
There's hella dope ass music out right now.
It's hella dope.
We even
music
got
out.
some singers in the city, man. So y'all go ahead and tap in
Man,
with each
keep
other.
working, man. Keep working. Keep grinding.
sure.
Subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed already, man. Let's keep it pushing. Keep showing love for the city.
We appreciate it.
We appreciate y'all, man. We up out of here. Peace.
Yeah, that shit was hella dope. On my mama, that nigga Babe Blue murdered.
All right, y'all. You stuck around this long, you must like what you see. So if you new, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Make sure you press that bell. Make sure you click all. You can get all the notifications to the next show.